Hey. The next thing I want to talk to you about, the perk is recognition. When you change diapers and you do things and you clean the kitchen, nobody recognizes you, usually. So, anyway, in this company, we get recognized for just doing our job. You can earn medals like these. And not only do you get to come home from convention with the medals, but guess who's watching? Your kids. Your kids get to see that you're earning medals and you're setting goals. And then in the mail, there's always little gifts that come that are big surprises. Every month we have an opportunity to earn prizes, and it doesn't matter whether you're a leader or just a consultant. It doesn't matter. Everybody gets to earn prizes. So these are little things you can earn. These are rain boots that I got to earn one year, which were just fabulous. And then there's trophies. Trophies are fun things that we get to earn. And guess what? When you come home with your trophy, your husband is like, she might be doing pretty good in this business. But better than that, nothing else that makes me more excited than anything is to watch my team members actually get awards. So I got to watch Diana not only earn a trip, but she has gotten a trophy like mine, where she earned the cards for calls number 3 in the cards for calls in the company. And then she's also, like me, has gotten the legacy award. So that is all the things that I want to do for you, is to help you earn those awards so your kids can see you earn awards and be recognized. And James Clear says that in order to start a new habit, it needs to be obvious, it needs to be attractive, it needs to be easy, but it also needs to be satisfying. So sometimes by earning these prizes, they're satisfying when you get them. Like this month, I'm earning a foot massager, and that is satisfying for me. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.